George Kirby's Hardware. Dear to compare. Located at 18 Manchester Avenue, Maypen, Clarendon. Check us out for the widest range of quality tiles, windows, lumber, fixtures, faucets, toilets, and everything for building renovation and beautification. Call Kirby's Hardware today at 902-2710 or 902-2711 or 902-6821. Email kirbyfieldtrading@yahoo.com. Like our new Facebook page, George Kirby's Hardware. Dare to compare. We're open Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Wednesdays, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Fridays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And on Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Customer service comes first at George Kirby's Hardware, located at 18 Manchester Avenue, Maypen, Clarendon. George Kirby's Hardware. Dare to compare.